In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Collabs. Whether you're looking to manage influencer relationships more efficiently or expand your store's reach, Shopify Collabs is a remarkable tool that can help you build and nurture those partnerships. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this feature for your Shopify store. First, you'll need to install the Shopify Collabs application onto your Shopify store. Head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Shopify Collabs, and click to install. Once the app is installed, open it from the Shopify dashboard. When you first open the app, it will guide you through setting up your account. This usually involves linking your social media and verifying your identity, a crucial step to ensure transparency and trustworthiness for the influencers you'll be working with. Now that your account is set up, you can create a new campaign. Campaigns are the heart of Shopify Collabs, allowing you to define objectives, select specific products to feature, and perhaps most importantly, specify what kind of influencers you are targeting in terms of niche, audience size, and engagement metrics. Providing detailed and clear information in your campaign brief is vital, as this will serve as a cornerstone for influencers to understand your brand and goals. Take the time to specify any requirements and deliverables from the influencer, like the number of posts or stories. Once your campaign is designed, it's time to discover influencers. Shopify Collabs offers a search feature where you can filter potential partners based on the criteria that align with your campaign objectives. You can search by category, engagement rate, location, and more. It's important to take the time to reach out personally. Influencers appreciate when brands have taken the time to understand their content and followers, so personalized messages will go a long way. After selecting potential influencers, you can send them collaboration invites directly through the Collabs dashboard. Here, maintain a friendly and professional tone. Highlight what specific value working with your brand can provide, tailored to the influencer's own style and audience. You can manage ongoing conversations with multiple influencers easily, thanks to Shopify Collabs' integrated messaging feature, which keeps all your communications in one organized place. Once both parties agree to terms, send products to your chosen influencers. Shopify Collabs allows you to automate this process. By adding products to their orders in the system, you can track when an influencer has received their allotted items, ensuring a smooth workflow. Tracking your campaign's performance is essential too. Shopify Collabs has a built-in analytics tool, which will show how much engagement and sales were generated from your collaborations. Use this data to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and refine future partnerships to ensure even greater success. There you have it. With Shopify Collabs, managing influencer partnerships is a streamlined process designed to save you time and resources, while maximizing the impact of your marketing efforts. Enjoy harnessing this tool to elevate your brand and build meaningful influencer relationships. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find great success with Shopify Collabs.